UNICOM conferences do have quite a wide range of speakers with diverse experience. The interesting thing about the conferences is they have central themes or topics that, while remaining broad, address maybe specific areas of focus that aren't covered by more general purpose conferences that only happen once a year. So I guess UNICOM has the benefit of running conferences on quite a regular basis, which allows them to theme them to specific areas that might be of interest. So the last one that I attended was around the business case for Agile, and I think that's something that is often neglected, and other conferences that I've attended and presented at for UNICOM equally have had interesting themes that wouldn't necessarily be the focus of other larger, more annual, but also less regular conferences.
I think the UNICOM conference is very, very unique on the market. Obviously, there are any other great conferences, but the UNICOM conference is something that can cover a lot of different areas in something that are very linked to each other. Therefore, I think anyone who works in IT, no matter if it's a senior role, mid or junior, I think you can really learn something that can contribute to your role.
They have true experts come along and talk about the areas that are pertaining to their topic. And they also have what I call, within those expertise, real world experience. In terms of the other thing I like about UNICOM conferences is that they are very much of the time, and the hot topics are discussed, the challenges are there, the issues are drilled into, and there's always the opportunity to have a very good period of interaction and conversation, both at the end of your own talk as well as in roundtable discussion at the end.